everybody, it's Gina from Ohana Eats. Today we're going to experience a breakout room here in downtown Waikiki. Before we get to that, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go check out Breakout Waikiki. All right guys, are we ready to get into the escape room?
Yes.
Maybe? So what did you think? How was it? Yeah.
Work as a team, accomplished nothing. Failed. Great way to bond with my sibling, and it increased our IQ by so much.
But did you have fun?
Enjoyable, yes.
Okay, so today we are back downtown. We are just steps away from Breakout Waikiki, and we had to take you to one of our favorite ice cream spots. We're at the Royal Hawaiian, and we are about to take you to Kokoro Cafe. It is the home of the only shaka hand ice cream.
So today I got a vanilla ice cream and mochi waffle at Kokoro Cafe, so I'm going to try it. It has some chocolate sprinkles on top, and I see a little bit of Oreo powder and a chocolate drizzle on the mochi waffle. It's a really good, creamy vanilla ice cream. Really sweet, but it's just not too sweet. It's like really light and fluffy. So I'm going to try the mochi waffle, which is right underneath. Oh, there is Oreo. Alrighty. I'm gonna try this. This looks so good just looking at it. It looks amazing. That is super good. Okay, so the mochi waffle is served hot. It has Oreo on top and a drizzle. It's really good. If you don't know what a mochi waffle is, it's basically just a regular waffle with a very chewy texture. Okay, so I got the shaka hand. It is ice cream on top of a mochi hand. It's a mochi waffle, but it's just shaped in the shaka. That's actually really good ice cream. I got the half vanilla, half chocolate. It has a little bit of Oreo shaving on top. Right here, like some Pocky sticks. Pocky sticks are basically just like crunchy sticks surrounded in chocolate. They're really good. I'm gonna try the waffle. Yeah, that's a good waffle. It definitely takes the mochi, and this really tastes like just homemade. But it's also not just a hand and ice cream. There's like ice cream at the bottom too, which you can get with like other flavors. You can get caramel at the bottom. You can get a lot of things at the bottom. It's really good though.
Now we're going to take you for a walk through Waikiki and the famous Pink Princess. Let's go take a look. We hope you guys enjoyed seeing Breakout Waikiki and the escape rooms, and also Kokoro Cafe, and we hope you enjoyed the little tour of the Pink Princess. I will throw all the links down below. As always, stay safe and aloha.